Hey guys, I'm Matt, and today I'll be walking you through the setup of TP-Link's Deco M5 whole home Wi-Fi system. Before opening the box, we can get a head start in the installation process by downloading the Deco app on our smartphone. Okay, now that the app is downloading, let's get started on unboxing our Deco M5 system. As you can see, each Deco unit has a USB Type-C power supply and 2 Ethernet ports. Okay, now we're ready to begin setup. We're going to go ahead and first start by unplugging the power from the modem here. And we're going to take an Ethernet cable from the box and we're going to plug that from the Deco unit into the back of the modem. And once the Deco unit's connected to the modem, we can go ahead and plug the power source back into the modem, and we'll plug the USB power supply back into the Deco. And when the Deco wakes, we should see that it will pulse blue. Hopefully you followed the instructions carefully, and it looks like we did since we're getting a pulsing blue light here, which means we can now set up the app. And the first part we're going to do is make sure we verify our email address with the Deco app. And the Deco app will also let us know of anything we may need for the setup. Okay, now that you have your first Deco unit online, we can use the Deco app to set up the Wi-Fi network. Now you can use a brand new Wi-Fi network name, or you can use the one you had before. With the first Deco M5 unit all set up, we can use the Deco app to help us place the second unit. Now that we have our spot picked out, adding our second Deco M5 to the new network is easy. And setting up our third unit is just as easy as this one.
Velop is the only whole home Wi-Fi modular mesh system that provides 100% speed throughout your home, based on unique innovations in hardware and software. Featuring dynamic tri-band technology, Velop outperforms the competition by using intelligent software to select the best path between multiple nodes instead of a single static path. Velop's modular mesh design allows the nodes to be configured to suit a number of different styles of homes for the ultimate coverage. With Velop, you can move freely throughout the home. Velop's one network design keeps you and your device connected to the strongest signal. The Linksys app gives you ultimate control and access to your Wi-Fi. Lock the Xbox. Share your Wi-Fi with friends. Small enough to fit anywhere, Velop's elegant design blends into any home environment. Designed for beauty, performance, and simplicity, Velop provides the freedom of reliable, secure, and seamless Wi-Fi. With Velop, Wi-Fi freedom has a new address: yours.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control, so if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
With Nova at home, everything works perfectly. More discoveries, more sharing, moving closer. Introducing the Nova MW3 AC 1200 whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Simple and easy to install, no more tangled wires. The MW3 reaches those annoying dead spots, so you'll never miss those important moments. It's no longer a headache for visiting friends who can experience the same lag-free, high-speed Wi-Fi. Oops. This happens when the signal is too good. Hold on, the kid's addicted to the internet?
Are you still up?
No problem for parents when you have the Tenda Wi-Fi app.
It's time to sleep.
The MW3, the best value whole home mesh Wi-Fi system.
Mesh units interconnect with each other, and every one of them acts as AP in a whole package. Patented internal antennas make this highly efficient even through floors. In traditional single-hop networking, signals only flow to the superconnected AP, so signals get weaker and weaker. And with mesh, we can make the most use of bandwidth and no worries about signal loss. As you walk around the house, your phone always automatically connects to the best Wi-Fi signals. It's a patented technology called TouchLink. You touch the top with your phone or hand, and you activate the TouchLink SSID to get connected without password.